Ladies and gentlemen, I am back with another video. And today, we are doing a rebuilding video, ladies and gentlemen. And today, we will rebuild a horrible team, like I said like 50 billion times. We do not need to start in the offseason. Setup options, I'll get to you when I get to the team. We'll rebuild the Chicago Bulls. We will rebuild the Chicago Bulls. I will get to you when I get to you. Oh, sorry. I forgot you guys were here. We are rebuilding the Chicago Bulls today. The Chicago Bulls need some working on. Let's get going. Let's propose a trade, maybe. A player. See what people would take for Mirotic. And, you know, for the heck of it, Levine. Oh, no. No, screw it. I'm gonna go back. Trade Finder. This guy and this guy. Who? Robert Covington? Some guy. I heard some dude, called him Potato Head, but whatever. Blake? You know what time it is. We got your boy Blake Griffin on the team. Let's simulate a season. So far, so good. I'm liking it. Okay, we have a losing record. I'm not really good at rebuilding. So I got it from some other person. Some other person decided it's a good idea. So I think I should stick with my career. We suck, yay! LeBron James, MVP. Ben Simmons, Rookie of the Year. Jeremy Lin, 6th man. Andre Drummond, 6th man of the year. Buddy Hield, Most Improved Player. Tyronn Lue. Oh, Tyronn and LeBron getting in with some of that action. And surprise, surprise, we didn't make the playoffs. Oh well. Let's simulate the first round. Who will win it? Okay. You see where... Oh, my finger's pretty huge. You see where I'm pointing right here? Cavs and Sixers? Yeah, I don't know how that happened. Okay, next round. Ooh, look at this. This should be a good round. Spurs and Warriors. Rockets and Thunder. Uh-oh. Ding, 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 ding. Who will win that series? I'm gonna cry. Warriors and Celtics. Let's simulate Simcast. The fastest it goes. Oh wow, the Celtics won game 1. Game 2. Oh dear. Oh dear. Warriors win game 2. Boo! Boo! Oh well. No, they won't. No, they won't. Here we go. Oh yeah, Boston Miracles. Talk about luck, am I right? I'm not surprised if anyone's here watching the video. Next game. Ooh, really high scoring. And then the last game. Can the Celtics win the series? Or, of course, Oh, it's a commercial. Oh, I heard something. Celtics win the championship to the Warriors in 5 games. The cover athlete. What is life anymore? I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll probably do my career next video. I hope so. I might. I'm pretty sure.